Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Minecraft error 429. This error usually happens when too many login or server requests are sent in a short period of time, causing Minecraft or Microsoft services to temporarily block access. First, stop trying to log in repeatedly and wait a few minutes because this error is often a temporary rate limit. Finally, just go ahead and restart Minecraft and try again after a short delay to let the system reset login your attempt. After that, also check your internet connection and make sure it is stable, since an unstable internet can trigger repeated login requests. Now just go to the top left corner and click on your profile and choose to log out of your Microsoft account in Minecraft and then sign back in to refresh your session. After that, just go ahead and press the Windows key on your keyboard and click on the power icon and just choose to restart your device or PC to clear any stock authentication process. And finally, wait a few minutes before trying again because the temporary limit usually expires on its own. And that's it. We just learned how to fix Minecraft error 429 by stopping repeated logins, waiting for the limit to reset, and refreshing the account session. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.